Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Friends, in this video we are going to show you 3/4 blouse sleeve design for saree and lehenga ideas. So please watch the video till end. Friends, can you imagine saree without blouse? Impossible, right? Few years back, blouse are just fabric piece stitched to cover the upper part of the body. But nowadays, blouse purpose is more than coverage. Modern Indian women prepare more creative blouse for sari and lehenga, even for a everyday and casual occasion. From choosing different neck or sleeve to picking from a variety of embroidery technique. So this video we are showing you some of the best 3/4 sleeve design for your reference. Friends, 3/4 sleeve blouse for saree are very popular among Indian women, known for their elegant and stylish design. These kind of blouse feature adding a unique touch to a traditional saree outfit. This kind of sleeve blouse making style versatile for different occasion and personal preference. Nowadays, 3/4 sleeve blouse design very popular for women in India, especially during the cooler month. This kind of sleeve blouse offer a classic and elegant look. 3/4 sleeve blouse for saree are a contemporary and stylish option for all Indian women. You can add extra embossed with lace, embroidered and other details in the sleeve. These kind of 3/4 sleeve blouse are a great way to add a modern touch to the traditional sarees. And these kind of sleeve blouse very popular in younger women and for casual event. This kind of 3/4 sleeve blouse for saree or lehenga are stylish and trendy for a woman. 3/4 balloon sleeve blouse for a saree or lehenga are stylish and trendy for women. This kind of balloon 3/4 sleeve blouse can add a unique and fashionable touch to the saree, making them a popular choice for younger women, college going girl and teenage girls. Friends, 3/4 sleeve with 4 neck blouse is stunning and ideal for situation when you want to look different. This kind of blouse good ideal of a simple occasion and casual wear. When looking for new saree, you have to know this one is the total hit out blouse. You can't escape the magic of the blouse even if you try. Friends, 3/4 net sleeve blouse are in trend. You can choose any style or design for the sleeve and add a net with the design. You can use different type of net like plain net, flower net, etc. These kind of neck sleeve blouse add glamorous to your overall look. Friends, I hope you guys love this video. If you like this video, please do like, comments and share it to your friends and family. Friends, please click subscribe button and along with the bell icon for immediate notification. Thank you friends and keep watching.